So guys, this is what I tell you, that the future is rural. Look at the beautiful views. So amazing. It was just after sunset, and look how beautiful it was with the moon shining up there. It was again like a sunshine, but it was a moonrise. Sunrise, moonrise, yeah. Something like that, I don't know. And here my dad was so proud, showing me that he extended like on the side of the road. It was really bushy, and he just tried to clear a bit, make it a bit clean, and put some sunflowers which were not yet out. And yeah, it was so nice, guys. Look at the trees and the fresh air and the sounds from the bird. And it's so sad that this drying tree, it was a lemon tree that is dried out. I don't know why. And that's the way to my parents' house, yeah. And it was amazing. Look how the dogs were so happy. And that part corner there to the top left, yeah, you will see amazing things happening there by the grace of God. Okay, cheers guys. Keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel, share, and yeah, I'll be sharing more. Thank you.